5 profitable small-scale chemical business ideas you can start today. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a business idea that's not only profitable but also in high demand? Then stick around because today we're diving into 5 small-scale chemical business ideas that you can start with moderate investment and scale up for great returns. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just stepping into the world of business, these ideas are perfect for you. Let's get started. Why start a chemical business? The chemical industry is a critical part of the economy, touching everything from agriculture to construction and even healthcare. Here's why starting a small-scale chemical business makes sense. Consistent demand. Chemicals are essential across industries, ensuring a steady market. Low entry barriers. Starting small doesn't require massive capital or complex operations. Scalability. Once you're established, you can expand production or diversify into related products. 5 profitable chemical business ideas. 1. Aluminium Chloride is a versatile chemical mainly used in water treatment and paper manufacturing. With a market value of over $1.4 billion in 2023, it's expected to hit $2.6 billion by 2032, growing at a CAGR of 6.7%. Applications: purifying water, treating wastewater in textile and paper industries. Why it's profitable? The global water treatment market is booming with a 6.5% CAGR. The need for PAC is only growing. Setup cost: moderate, requires basic reactors and good quality control systems. Pro tip: start by networking with local municipal bodies or private water treatment plants. They're always looking for reliable suppliers. 2. Ferric Pyrophosphate. Next, we have Ferric Pyrophosphate, a lesser-known gem in the chemical and nutrition sectors. It's used in food fortification and pharmaceutical products. Market insights: valued at $100 million in 2023, projected to grow to $140.7 million by 2031, CAGR 5.2%. Setup cost: low to moderate, involves processes like accurate mixing and drying. Pro tip: partner with pharmaceutical companies or food manufacturers to scale quickly through bulk orders. 3. Zinc Sulphate. Zinc sulphate is a must-have for agriculture, helping boost soil fertility and crop yield. The global market, valued at $1.82 billion in 2023, is set to reach $2.92 billion by 2032, growing at 5.5% CAGR. Applications: micronutrient fertilizer for agriculture, animal feed and pharmaceuticals. Why it's profitable? Zinc deficiency in soil is a widespread issue, and the growing focus on organic farming further increases demand. Setup cost: moderate. The production involves simple chemical reactions and drying units. Pro tip: position your product as a solution for organic farming needs to attract a niche market. 4. Calcium Chloride. Fourth on the list is calcium chloride, a versatile compound used in industries like construction, de-icing, and food preservation. Its market, valued at $2.01 billion in 2023, is expected to grow to $3.11 billion by 2031 with a steady CAGR of 5.6%. Applications: de-icing roads during winters, quick-setting concrete for construction, absorbing moisture as a desiccant. Why it's profitable? The dual demand in construction and de-icing ensures a steady market year-round. Setup cost: moderate. Manufacturing processes are straightforward. Pro tip: focus on winter and construction industries for peak sales seasons. 5. Bleaching Powder. Bleaching powder, a household name in sanitation and water disinfection. With a market value of $550.26 million in 2023, it's projected to grow to $676.44 million by 2029, CAGR 3.7%. Applications: disinfecting water supplies, cleaning and sanitizing homes and industries. Why it's profitable? Bleaching powder has consistent demand, especially during disease outbreaks. Setup cost? Low. Involves simple mixing and drying. Pro tip: build relationships with municipal corporations and hospitals for steady orders. Success tips for your chemical business. Starting a chemical business isn't just about producing and selling. Here are some tips to ensure success. 1. Understand the market. Research customer needs and trends to create a targeted strategy. 2. Ensure quality. Use high-quality raw materials and maintain strict quality control. 3. Follow regulations. Adhere to safety and environmental compliance to avoid legal hassles. 4. Build a network. Collaborate with distributors or sell directly to industries for higher margins. How we can help you? Starting a chemical business might seem daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Our team of experts is here to help with comprehensive techno-economic viability reports, market research and analysis, manufacturing process insights, machinery and raw material specifications, regulatory compliance guidance. With our support, you can navigate the complexities and launch your business with confidence. So, which of these chemical business ideas caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more actionable business insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired. Contact us for more details.